In this video, I will show you how to fix if your AirPods Pro case is not charging. So let's jump straight into it. So if you are trying to charge up your AirPods Pro case and say for example the light's not coming on, then the first thing I would recommend doing is just to try removing and reinserting the lightning cable. So what you want to do is just go ahead and unplug the cable, and then go ahead and reinsert it back into the port to see if this does resolve the problem. Sometimes it can be dust and debris that builds up in the port. So what you're going to want to do is remove the cable, try giving the port a blow as well, just to get rid of any excess dust, and then try to reinsert the cable to see if this resolves the problem. So another thing I would recommend trying is using a different cable. So if you have a different lightning cable or a charging pad, say like a wireless pad, what you're going to want to do is try a few different cables. Now, if for example it doesn't work with a charging cable, but it works on like a Qi wireless charger or MagSafe wireless charger, from that you will know that it's actually a problem with the charging port, in which case you will be able to charge your case, but of course you'd need to use a wireless charger. So another thing I would recommend doing is actually cleaning the contacts on your actual AirPods. So sometimes the AirPods themselves can get dirty, and basically if you take out the AirPods, and on the very bottom there's going to be little contact points. So this is where it basically meets. If you look inside the charger, there's a little metal bit here. So what you're going to want to do is get a bit of isopropyl alcohol and just go ahead and clean that with like a Q-tip or cotton swab, and that should remove any sort of dirt or dust, and you want to see if that does fix the problem and allow you to charge your AirPods. Also, what I would recommend doing is checking that your AirPods firmware is up to date. So you can do this via the Apple website. Sometimes if you've got an out of date firmware for your AirPods, then older versions of firmware can contain things like bugs. To go ahead and check this, all you need to do is connect your AirPods to an Apple device, and if there's an update available, it's going to download automatically whenever you connect your AirPods. So the final thing I would recommend is to actually reset your AirPods, and to go ahead and do this, what you're going to want to do is make sure both of the AirPods are in the case. You don't want to have it plugged in at this point, but you want to make sure that both of the AirPods are in the case. Then if you go ahead and open up the lid on your case, and on the back of the case, if you turn the case around, there's a small white button here. So this is what you can use to actually reset your AirPods. So you want to make sure both of the AirPods are in the case. Then what you want to do is go ahead and hold this button down, and you want to hold this down for about 15 to 20 seconds. So when you actually do this, the white light is going to start blinking, and after about 20 seconds, this is going to change to like an orange ambery flashing light. So as you can see, it's doing that now. So you just want to keep your finger held on the button. And when it goes back to a flashing white light, this shows that the AirPods have been reset. So you can go ahead, close the case, and go ahead and plug your lightning cable in to see if that fixes the problem. So if none of these methods did work for you, the final thing I would recommend is to see if your AirPods are still in warranty. If they are, what you're going to want to do is take them into an Apple store, or alternatively contact Apple support via the website. And if they are covered under the warranty, of course you will be able to arrange for a replacement to be sent through. If they're not covered under the warranty, it is the case you'll be able to replace them, but you will need to pay for a replacement set. So that's some things you can try to fix if your AirPods Pro case is not charging. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.